Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to do an honest review on the Celine box bag in burgundy. This is the medium size, and if you want to learn more, go ahead and continue watching. So I wanted to do this review because I brought it out because it's fall time and I usually wear this bag in the fall, and I realized, how much I love it, and how this is actually one of the first bags that I've ever bought with my own money. And so I thought I'd give you guys a review on it, on how it's held up for the past, I don't know, 5+ years. I got this bag when I didn't know much about designer bags. Like, I didn't know how to take care of them. I didn't really do any research on them before I bought it. I honestly just saw this in the store with my mom and was like, oh my gosh, I love that bag. I'm going to buy it. I think I seen it, I don't know where I seen it, but I was really into Phoebe Philo and Celine at the time. So I wanted to get something that was like quintessential Celine in my brain. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it's been holding up for the past like 5+ years and what I think about it now. So here she is, super pretty. I have it in the burgundy color in medium size in the calf skin box leather. Yeah, so I bought this when I knew nothing about how to care for leathers. I was super naive at how it would hold up, but here she is. It's kind of, I don't know, when I see it now, I'm kind of like, oh, it's like pretty scratched up and dinged up, but I guess that's a sign that I really love this bag and carried it around as much as I did. So here she is. Here's the buckle. See, it's a little dusty because I just took it out, but yeah, here's the buckle. You could kind of see the scratches on it. And then here's the leather. You could see like the veining on it. This leather is very sensitive, and this was the bag that made me learn how sensitive box leather is. Like, here is where the most scratches are. I think it's because, I didn't know how that it would scratch so easily. I don't know, I was kind of naive about it, but you can see the scratching there. Here's the bottom of the bag, or the side, and the bottom, the other side. This is normally how I store it. Here's the back. Like, you can see this huge scratch right there, and the veining. You can see like the little dings on it. It's just so, I don't know, it just feels so nice. I always, whenever I bring this out, because I think of it as more of a fall bag, so I kind of put it away in my closet during the rest of the year, because I use this in the fall winter time. I live in California, so we don't actually really truly have a winter, but here, and then here's the inside. Here's how you open it. You press this and then you pull this. So yeah, people who know Celine will know this bag, but if you don't follow Celine or don't follow designer stuff, it just, looks like a nice subtle bag. The only place that you see Celine is right here, and that's behind the buckle. And right here it says Celine Paris. And then here's the inside of it. It's like an accordion cut kind of thing. Here is the strap. I normally just keep it stored like that. Here's the strap, and then these little I don't know what they're called, little things, and then yep, that's her. And then here's the inside. Let's see, oh, this one is where the strap was, and then that dust bag, and then this dust bag is like the actual dust bag that it came with, which is like a really nice material, really heavy. So there's that. And then here's the inside. The inside is full leather. So yeah, she's very, very luxurious and nice. And then I don't even know what this says. Oh, it says made in Italy. And then here's the inside. Oh, what do we have in there? Oh, I think it's like, oh, it's like the care booklet that it came with. Oh, it's nice seeing these from so long ago. But yeah, I usually keep it back there. So it has 3 compartments, 1, 2, 3, and then this one is like a really skinny compartment. It has a zipper, and then I normally put, I don't actually put stuff in this back one because these ones are so wide, and they have these little, ooh, maybe I should put something in between them, but they have these little pockets that, I don't know if you heard that sound, but it's a little sticky in there. Or it's not sticky, but you know, when leather is sitting on top of leather. So maybe I should put like tissues in there or something. But yeah, there she is. Really, really pretty, really luxurious. I wanted to give you guys an idea of what fits inside. So like I said earlier, there's 3 compartments. And then let me show you how I would normally pack it. So I have like a pouch here. Put that in. Let's say we'll put it in there. Let's see if that closes when it's standing up, right? Oh yeah, okay. So let's put that in there. And then I'll usually have my phone in there. Let's put it, I'm recording on it now, but this is my case. So phone, I have my wallet with cards, and then I have a portable charger, portable charger, AirPods, sunglasses are in a case here. Put that on top, and then I don't know, maybe you want coins, so we'll put that in there. And that closes. Oh, yep, that closes comfortably. Yeah, that's normally how I would pack it. So I have sunglasses. This would be my phone, portable charger, coins, wallet, and a pouch. This pouch has like my makeup in it. Pouch. And AirPods. So yeah, that fits in there comfortably. I was curious, I never put this in here, but I want to see if my medium a planner would fit in here. Oh yeah, cool. So that fits in there if you want to carry that. I'd probably always carry my wallet, always carry my charger and AirPods. So cool. And let's see if it closes. Oh, actually, oh yeah, closes. Nice. So there is that. Cool. So that's just kind of an idea of what fits inside. Right now, let's see. I went on the website. Oh, and I even have the box that it came with. There's a throwback. I don't know what the boxes look like now, but I have the box. I think it's because this was like my first Celine purchase that I just kept everything that came with it. Okay, yeah, so I checked the current price and it's $3,950 on their website right now. They still sell this exact bag, same color, same everything. So you can still purchase it today. And yeah, I initially bought this bag because it was so pretty and I wanted something from Phoebe Philo's collection, and it's very understated. My mom loves it because she loves how simple and understated it is. It's very like, you know, if you know, you know, or if you appreciate like nice leather bags, you would really appreciate it. I guess I could talk about the wear and tear. As you can see, I've had this bag, like I said, for like over 5 years, and she's kind of been through some stuff, but honestly, she's still like really, really pretty, like the structure is all there. I could still bring this bag out and wear it today, and I'm still really happy when I carry it around. So I love how, you know, it's still relevant right now. Like Celine right now is killing it, and I think this bag is pretty comparable to their new Triumph bag with the C's. So I am trying to stop myself from buying the black one in the teen size, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I really love that bag right now, and it's pretty on trend, because I know that because my little cousins really love that bag and they're younger than me. So yeah, I love how relevant this bag still is. Like, it's still a really, really beautifully like structured bag. As far as cons, you know, like I said, it's very sensitive. So if you are not into the sensitive leathers and you don't want to deal with that, I would suggest getting a different kind of leather, not the box leather. Honestly, I would probably still buy another bag in box leather. I just kind of learned how to take care of it over time. And I love how it still looks really nice, even though, you know, it has these scratches on it. I just think that it reminds me that I really love this bag. Oh, another thing that people don't, I don't know if that most people know about, is that it has these things, right? They're pretty sharp. So they might actually, like, if you store it incorrectly, it might scratch the leather. So you gotta watch out for these. I mean, I don't know, some people don't care about the scratches, but if you do, watch out for that. And when I carry this bag, I carry it on my shoulder. It could be a crossbody bag if you want it to be, but I think it looks better on the shoulder. She's kind of heavy, so because I think it's because it's all leather, you might like take that into consideration if you were thinking about purchasing it and are kind of sensitive to like the weight of bags. So there's another thing. As far as buying it again, if I didn't have this bag today and I was interested in it, I would probably go for the Triumph bag, just because like that's what's really hot right now, and it's really beautiful. But this is very, very classic, and I don't see it going out of style. I mean, my friends call it like an old lady bag because like there's no flash to it, you know. I have some bags that are very flashy, but this is very understated, simple, if you know, you know type of bag. And I don't know, I love that for it. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.